Well, hey folks, welcome back. And oh man, where are you today, Tom? We're down on the Blackstone, 28-inch Blackstone. I've had this, I think, for about 4 years now. Now this one is stored down in Florida, and it doesn't get cooked on hardly at all. And in fact, it sits the majority of the summer in a lanai, which is like a 3-season room, so it's in the heat and humidity. And the top is held out really, really well. And we're just re-seasoning it here. Got a little oil on it. I got it right next to the house because we got a little bit of rain coming down. But boy, I've got some steaks and taters that I want to throw on there real badly. So I'll tell you what, let's get her fired up. All right, there's our steak and taters, folks. 2 nice small little ribeyes. And if you're wondering what I'm using here, I'm using some of this Weber Chicago steak. This is a lot like Montreal steak seasoning. If you can't find this, I'm almost positive it's almost exactly the same. And then some potatoes O'Brien. That is going to go awesome on the flat top. So let's get her on the grill. Well, there's the potatoes O'Brien on, even though it's raining. I've got it kind of under the eave there. And, you know, gotta do what you gotta do. All right, turn down this side. Got that side on high yet. Potatoes are underneath there. Let's take a quick look here. Oh, man. Here. One-handed, folks. All right, give you a couple more little look-sees, and this is going to be dinner. All right, let's give her another flip here. One more look-see. Oh yeah, turning out mighty nice. Taters. Oh, those are almost done. All right, folks, we'll give you a look-see once they are plated up. Blackstone 28-inch griddle, folks. All right, folks, there's the final product. Medium. Probably should have taken it off a little sooner. Would have preferred medium rare, but I'm sure it's totally edible. And those potatoes, oh, look at that. Awesome, folks. Up Blackstone 28-inch griddle, folks. I think we've had it 3-4 years now, and it's holding up just fine. Like I said, I gotta get a new controller for it. And actually, we're gonna do a video showing you how to put it on once we get it. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, folks, do appreciate you watching. Thank you.